Nubia Red Magic 7S Pro gaming smartphone. The universe is yours for the taking with the Red Magic 7S Pro. Show off the awesome power of your favorite Red Magic gaming smartphone with its transparent back and fun RGB LED lights. It sports a 6.8 inches FHD Plus AMOLED no-notch display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. It has a glass back. Immerse yourself into your games with the display's 120Hz refresh rate and unparalleled responsiveness at 960Hz touch sampling. Its weight is round about 235 grams. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and do the unboxing of Nubia Red Magic 7S Pro. This is the lid which contains SIM ejector tool and a plastic cover. This is the Red Magic 7S Pro, and we have Type-C to Type-C cable and the 65-watt power delivery 3.0 charger. The transparent silicone case is also at hand, which is nice because it won't fully conceal the design. They re-engineered the UDC technology to bring you a no-notch, true-to-life full-screen display that provides infinite, uninterrupted views for your gaming pleasure. Tired of overheating? No problem. With Red Magic's ICE 10.0 multi-dimensional cooling system, your phone stays cooler for longer even when you ramp up settings to the max. Sweeping over the battery, activate the latest layer of advanced cooling, adding an additional 2 centigrade of cooling, making your smartphone ever more efficient at handling the heat. For improved cooling is a 20,000 RPM built-in turbofan with improved turbofan design. By adding in 4 energy-saving coils, a noise-dampening metal cover, and a special shark fin vortex cutout design for improved airflow and noise reduction, with 6% increased air pressure and 4 dB noise reduction. Then to top it off, added LED RGB lights for extra coolness. Red Magic 7S Pro comes in 3 colors variant: Obsidian, Supernova, and Mercury. Mercury variant comes with 18 gigabits of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage. Supernova variant comes with 18 gigabits of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage. Obsidian variant comes with 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. Under the hood lies the new Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. Major improvements include the Adreno 730 GPU, a secondary chip on Red Magic 7S Pro designed to handle gaming functions like audio and haptic feedback, so the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 can focus more power on raw performance for a better overall gaming experience. Say goodbye to stuttering as you play your favorite games for hours on end. With everything working in unison, the Red Magic 7S Pro offers unparalleled frame stability for even the most demanding of games. It also has a dedicated game space. Play your mobile games like real games with highly responsive 520Hz shoulder triggers with 3.5 headphone jack. Play games on your laptops through Red Magic 7S Pro. If you want to play heavy games, then don't worry, it has a 5000 mAh battery which lasts an entire day. The Red Magic retains the same camera hardware on the back with AAA camera setup. 64 megapixel main camera sensor, 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera sensor, 2 megapixel macro camera sensor. The selfie camera of the Red Magic 7S Pro is 16 megapixel, is an under-display camera. We hope you enjoyed today's show. Like the video, press the bell icon for upcoming video notifications, and enjoy next video of ours.